Hi, my name is Amber and I'm the account executive here at WaveRez. Today we are going to go over our Stripe integration. The Stripe integration is relatively new to our system. However, it's an alternate way to take payments than your traditional authorized.net accounts or merchant accounts. So first, to get started with Stripe, this will either be during your onboarding, or if you decide to switch to Stripe later, we can do that as well. But basically what we're going to do is we'll go over the fees, how it works, and we will send you a link to get signed up. So when you click on that link, you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. You can go ahead and create your account with this link. It is important that you do create your account with the link that we provide you. Other accounts created outside of connected to WaveRez will not work, so we'll have to make sure we do that from that link. So after you create your account, you'll let us know that it is done, that you finished it. We can come into our connected platform and pull all the information we need to get your integration set up. So just to show you our process, we would pull your account ID from Stripe, go to your login, we would go to integrations, go to Stripe, and then we would put your account ID in here. So we would put your account ID in here, we would click use Stripe and hit save. Now this is if you're just going to use Stripe and not the terminal. If you wanted to use the terminal, we would go ahead and use Stripe terminal and set up your terminal as well. We'll go ahead and set this up, and then we will do a test transaction on our system just to make sure everything is connected and working well. After this, we'll let you know that you're live and ready to take payments with Stripe. Now, Stripe is a little bit different in that the billing is automated. If you're familiar with authorized.net, our billing is not automated on that side. It's sent to you as a monthly invoice. Instead, with Stripe, it is completely automated. It is taken out at the time of the payment, and there's no need to calculate that later. It's also refunded if the order is refunded. So it's easy, you don't have to think about it. Also on Stripe, you're going to have a very robust dashboard where you can pull all kinds of reports, see income, different graphs, different data that they can provide to you on the Stripe side, as well as conjunction to the normal reports that we have on WaveRez. So basically the differences between Stripe and authorized.net would be the billing process is automated, whereas on authorized.net is not. The credit card screen looks slightly different. It has one long box instead of 3 separate boxes for the number, the date, and the security code on the back of the card. The fees are potentially different. This could be positive or negative depending on what you have currently set up. I would reach out to support@waverez.com for more information about the current pricing and how that might compare with what you already have. If we do service what you already have, we can help you out with that. If not, may have to direct you to someone who can. Hi, so I missed something while I was going through this video, and I just wanted to make a note that the Stripe fees are very competitive in the market, and we make sure that our fees remain competitive for the market, so don't hesitate to see if this fee structure would benefit your business. Now, I want to kind of touch on the terminal as a sum up here. I think it's one of the most important strengths to having Stripe versus authorized.net. And if you have a booth and you have a POS system that you run, or if you have an actual location and you want to run a credit card reader, Stripe does have the added benefit of having the terminal support for WaveRez. So let me see if I can get this screen a little bit larger so you can see what this would look like. Okay, so the terminal looks like this, and it does support chip cards as well as contactless payment, and it does have the full interface on the device. It's battery powered, so you can take it wherever you would like to go with it, and it does charge off just your standard cord as well. So very handy. I've noticed the battery life lasts a really long time with this thing. The only thing that you really need to keep in mind is it does operate off Wi-Fi. That is the terminal. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us at support@waverez.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the Stripe integration. Again, this could vary in questions according to if you have different locations, your business size, and possibly fee structure. So feel free to reach out to us and we can help you decide if Stripe is right for you. Thanks.